Competition today is tougher than ever. Budgets today are tighter than ever. Finding affordable marketing tools and meaningful marketplace advantage can be virtually impossible for many service providers. In this environment, the Cisco Jumpstart organization has a virtual suggestion: AMP Up. AMP is short for Added Marketing Power, and that is exactly what you are going to get with the exciting new Jumpstart Online Toolkit, or JOLT for short. 2 new programs are at the heart of the new JOLT portal. One we call Campaign Packs, the other is a managed marketing system we call Campaign Wrap. Let's start with Campaign Packs. Imagine being able to go to a site, select a service, choose from different creative modules. Modules that include direct mail, print advertising, postcards, radio scripts, and produce spots. Imagine filling in a few fields of information to customize the module you select with your name, service label, offer, phone number, URL, and logo, then filling in a few more fields to order the printing and optionally to provide mailhouse instructions. But time and money are the real beauties of the campaign packs. First, start to finish, from your keystrokes to a campaign going in the mail, is usually just about a week. Second is the money. The most expensive part of most campaigns is the creative, and we are giving that to you absolutely free. Unless you require additional modifications to the creative than those that we automatically build into the program, all you pay for is the printing for direct mail, film for ads, and production and shipping charges. And because we have negotiated with our own Cisco vendors, even those costs are going to be very attractive. The second way to amp up is with our Campaign Wrap managed marketing system. Any campaign is only as good as the lead it generates and the way those leads are tracked, managed, distributed, reported, and converted. This package, which is available at a very modest cost, provides you the opportunity to customize a lead assessment, tracking, distribution, and reporting program to your specific needs, and optimize the success of any promotional campaign, be it one of our campaign packs or a campaign developed by you. Of course, JOLT allows you to amp up in a lot of other ways as well. For 3 years now, we've been delivering web-based strategic and tactical content, guides, and a wide variety of tools that have helped give our partners a competitive edge when launching or marketing Cisco-based service offerings. Those services range from the more traditional, such as DSL, dedicated internet access, and web hosting, to the more leading edge, including virtual private networking, broadband wireless, and content delivery networks. And be it service and opportunity descriptions, business cases, market research, competitive analysis, or market positioning, we are vigilant in keeping JOLT content fresh and relevant. So amp up with the added marketing power of the Jumpstart Online Toolkit. Get all of the details at www.ciscojolt.com/ampup or by calling our JOLT account representative.